Well, the sun's finally come out, but that doesn't seem to stop certain people from hanging out on top of the refrigerator. Hi, Pansy. What up? You have something to say? Oh boy. No? Let's just... Oh yeah. Hi. What you doing? You have something to say for all our viewers? Anything? Yeah? Just trying to be cute, huh? Well, you are that. And then some. Pansy? Pansy? You gonna talk to me? You have something to say? Look at those big eyes. Look at those big yellow eyes. Oh God, she's really into hanging out on top of the refrigerator. You got something to say, Miss Pansy Pants? Miss Pansy Panther? Words of wisdom? Yeah, life is good on top of the refrigerator? Is that the lesson for today? I'm going to start vacuuming here in a second. You may want to get down. Oh, that's lovely. Something she found to eat up there? No? You have something to say, Miss Pansy? Yep, this is what it's like. I come into the kitchen and Miss Blackie is hanging up on the refrigerator. Yes. Yes. Oh boy. Yeah, life is just too exciting for words, isn't it, Pansy? She's a big kitty. Who's a big kitty? Who's a big kitty? Who's a big kitty? You want something? Do you want me to pet you? Is that what you want? I don't know if you can hear that purr, but it's pretty loud. She's a happy girl. Yes, indeed. Are you a happy kitty? She doesn't know. Either way.